Hi! In front of me is FOSSIBot F101 and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to click on About Phone section. Then select device name and type in wherever you wish to. In my case, Sunny. When you're done, you need to tap on OK in the pop-up to save your changes. And then also OK in the second one, this time about visibility. So when I do that, as you can see, name of my device has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!